Welcome to Aloft Dublin City. On today's review, we'll be evaluating the hotel location, the lobby, restaurants, the room, and amenities provided such as gym, breakfast, and more. Stick around all the way to the end as we evaluate this beautiful hotel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here we provide you with travel review in the format of flight and hotel so that you can maximize your travel. If this type of content interests you, consider subscribing. This review is solely our opinion of the hotel based on our stay. The hotel is not paying us to do this, as are all of our reviews on this channel. So your likes, comments, and shares are the only way we're able to be discovered and generate revenue. So rest assured that this review is our honest opinion. Let's get started. The Aloft Dublin City is located in the heart of Dublin, just a few minutes walk away from major Dublin attractions such as the Guinness Storehouse, St. Patrick's Cathedral and Park, Temple Bar, Trinity College, and Dublin Castle. From its rooftop deck, you have amazing views of the city. More on that later. Speaking of the hotel logistics, the check-in area or the reception desk is located on the 7th floor. So when you come into the building, you have this small lobby area and must take an elevator to the 7th floor. So let's go up there to see. This lobby is gorgeous. The one downside that I have is that everything feels cramped on this small area. In here you have the front desk area, the breakfast area, the sit down or the chilling area with the pool table, and then you also have the restaurant or the bar and the rooftop deck. Nevertheless, it is a cozy area and the decoration is really beautiful. From here you have the amazing views of the city, especially on a sunny day. Let's talk about the check-in experience. If you have been watching our Ireland series, you will know that by now I'm in love with this city and its people. All the hotel that we stayed at in Ireland had amazing front desk staff, and this hotel was no exception. The front desk personnel checking us in was amazing and super friendly. She was prompt with our requests and ensured that we had everything that we needed during our stay. While we're up here, let's talk about the amenities that were available during our stay. Of course, you have the bar area where you can relax by the fireplace and enjoy different varieties of drinks that they offer. Here as well, you can sit by the rooftop bar. When it's cold or rainy, you have the indoor portion for that relaxation. On the same level, there's also another sitting area for your enjoyment and including a pool table for usage. We did use this space a lot during our stay, especially in the evening before going out for dinner. Downstairs on the first level, you have the gym available for usage. It was on the smaller side, but it does the job. Now for the food available here. For elite members such as Platinum or higher, the hotel offers breakfast as a welcome amenity. However, for non-elite members, you can have breakfast included on your rate during the reservation, or you can pay it at the hotel. I didn't ask for the price, but this is something that you can check directly with the hotel. The food options were amazing. I love the fact that they had these little plates of Irish breakfast readily available. It reminded me of Capital One and Chase lounges. They also had a lot of carb options, juices, and more. If you have the opportunity to try the breakfast here, I will definitely recommend that you do so. You will not be disappointed. Now into the last part of the review, the room tour. All right, here's a tour of the Aloft here in Dublin City. What they have here. So as you can see in here, you do have the hair dryer, and there's a lot of space here for you to store your things. This area here, you do have the coffee machine, and here's the pods that goes into the coffee machine. Then you get milk, 2 mugs that you have here as well. Then you have the water kettle right there, ice bucket, and you get some cups there for coffee as well. And then here you do have a safe if you need to store your important belongings. It's locked right now, so I gotta figure out how to unlock it. And then down here you do have a laundry bag, and then some more storage space here. I haven't seen any closet yet, unless I'm mistaken. Actually, there is. Oh wow, there you go. I knew they would have it. So anyways, you do have robes over here, and with shoes. And then you do have the hangers, and also you do have an iron and ironing board. And then here you can use this to put your suitcase in there. So that's really nice. So this is what they have on this side here. And then on here you do have the bedroom itself. There's 2 beds here, so I'm staying with my cousin. So this is his side of the room, and this is my bed side. So pretty cool. And there's like this cool design over here in the middle, you can see. And then over here we do have a lot of outlets. So you do have outlets on this side here. You do have a phone here, and then you have a TV remote. And underneath there they gave you a Bible as well. So you can see nice decor and the lighting. So there's a lighting over here, very cool, similar to this side here. Again, this is a double room. And then on this side here, again, a large TV and space to hang out things over there as well if you want to. A working desk area. And then you do have some more outlets in this side here. So, and then they also give you the water bottle and the cup. This is our stuff that we brought in, so that does not include that. But anyways, you do have a nice working desk area. And then underneath here, you do have a fridge. So this is a mini fridge where if you get anything from here, you have to pay for it. Okay. And then there's a nice lamp here as well. You can see the views that we have. Actually, we'll go here, see the views. So the views of the city, you know, yeah. So we're not right in the city, but just about 18 minutes, you can be like in the main strip where everything is, the clubs and things like that. So anyways, we're gonna walk back this side here and here towards the entrance. And now you do have the bathroom. So we'll start off over here in the bathroom. You do have the scale. If you wake up in the morning, you want to weigh yourself. You do have towels here. And then on this side here, you do have some amenity like the bar, soap. And then you do have also lotion and so on. And you do have 2 cups as well. And then you do have Kleenex or tissue paper. Nice little sink over here as well. And then this side here, you do have the toilet and then more paper towel. And on this side here is the shower, so standing shower. So this is really a nice thing because a lot of European places do have a lot of bathtubs, so this is more modern now. You can see there's a rain shower there, and then there's another shower that you had there that you can use. It's a mobile one. So in this side here, you do have like shampoo and soap and everything else as well, which is really nice. So the bathroom is really modern, really cool, cozy, and you can see the room here. So not too bad. Overall, this room was great for the stay. However, if I'm traveling with my family and I have my kids with me, it might be a bit tight. In summary, Aloft Dublin City is a hotel that I recommend for your next stay in Dublin. This review is our experience with the hotel, and the hotel is not paying us to do this. The proximity to the Dublin attractions, the amenities, and the room is one of the reasons why we will recommend it. Anyways, if you enjoy watching this video, smack the like button as it helps our channel grow. Comment and share with many other friends. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. We will see you in the next video.